If you have ever updated CapCut on your computer and did not like the new version, or if you are looking for a way to go back to the old version without downloading or reinstalling the app, you probably feel stuck and frustrated. In this video, I will show you how to revert CapCut computer to another version easily using simple steps that anyone can follow. Let's get started. First, open any browser, go to the search bar and type in up to down CapCut old version. Here you're gonna click on the one with Windows. As you can see here, these are all the old versions of CapCut. You're just gonna choose the one that you want to download and click on it. Then click on download here. And this is how you can revert CapCut computer to another version easily. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.